Hi everyone, my name is Maria Jose Wittong and today I'm going to talk about Bahamas Islands. Okay, so first I will throw in the introduction. The Bahamas are made up of more than 700 islands. Christopher Columbus is believed to have arrived on the Bahamas Islands of San Salvador in 1492. At that time, it was populated by Ewoks Indians. The British first arrived in 1647, and the Bahamas officially became a colony in 1783. Though it's a long story with Great Britain, the Bahamas remains highly ecclesiastic. English is the official language, and Christianity is practiced by almost everyone who lives here. In fact, the country is very religious and has the highest proportion of church in the Caribbean. Although the Bahamas are made up of dozens of islands, only a few receive real attention from tourists. The island of New Providence is home to Nassau, the capital. It's also where you will find the famous Atlantis complex. One Bahamas is the best known for its incredible underwater cave system. Many cruise lines also own and operate private islands. Most of the islands in the Bahamas are along flat formation of coral reefs. Small rounded hills and irregularities appear here and there in some areas. The highest point is 63 meters high. If you want to visit Bahamas, the best time is usually between the end of December and beginning of May. You can still fill your days by boating in the islands, eating broken snail, drinking local rooms, and splashing in earthquake waters all year long. You can also visit the galleries, casinos, forts, museums, monuments, and much more. The official currency and Bahamas dollar, but the US currency is also widely accepted. Body of the Aceh. It's one of the largest island countries in the Caribbean. The Bahamas is made up of a group of 700 small islands and 2,400 cays in the area of 13,878 square kilometers, but only about 30 of these are inhabited. It's the fifth largest country in the Caribbean in the area after Cuba, the Dominican Republic, Haiti, and Belize. By territory, it's around 161 of the list of the largest countries and is 5 times the size of Luxembourg, with a surface area of just over 2,500 square kilometers. Government and inhabitants. The population of the Bahamas is 332,634 inhabitants, according to the 2018 census. Among the main islands of the Bahamas are New Providence, where 69.9% of the inhabitants live. They're located in capital Nassau. In Grand Bahamas Island, Abaku live 15.5% of the population, and the remaining 10% are scattered off on other islands and cays according to the central government. The official language is English, although Creole is spoken among 18 immigrants, and their life expectancy is 73 in men's and 79 for women's. It was an English colony until the 1970s. The Bahamas is relatively young state, having achieved independence in 1973, after centuries of English rule. In the 17th century, the first settlement was established by a group of English settlers who organized a community on one of the islands of the Bahamas seeking religious freedom. After the independence in 1970s, the island is a self-government state, a member of United Nations, the Caribbean Community, and the Organization of American States. Gastronomy. The most typical of the Bahamas is the Bahamas snail, which is cooked in a variety of ways. A snail stew, a snail salad. Although the turtle soup is really exquisite. For dessert, you can have guava pudding, pineapple sweet, beer soup ice cream, or coconut cake. Climate. It's a subtropical with abundant rains throughout the year. In addition to the moderate action of the winds, they provide a permanently smooth and homogeneous temperature. Flora and fauna. The most important vegetation and animal world of the islands is found in the sea. The hagwills, turtle, the shallow, the huita, the Bahamian boo are animals that we can admire, though some are in danger of extinction. Conclusions. It has been very important to have done this work in the Bahamas because it's a place that I want to visit one day because I love the sea and the Bahamas have one of the best seas in the world. Its economic gastronomy, tourist places, hotels, and influence of the tourism and its development are some of the most important points that I expand in development in this research. Okay, so now you can see some pictures. Thank you.